Today, I'm going to teach you how to change character spacing using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is a useful feature when you need to adjust the look and readability of text in your PDF documents, whether you're making text more compact or spreading it out for better clarity. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the main interface where you can access all your PDF files. Navigate to Recent Files, which will show you a list of documents you've worked on recently. From here, select the PDF file you want to change character spacing on. This step is important because it brings up the specific document where you'll be making your text adjustments. After your PDF opens, look at the upper left toolbar. Here, you'll need to click on Edit. This action switches your document into editing mode, allowing you to make changes to the text and other elements within the PDF. Without entering edit mode, you won't be able to modify the character spacing, so this is a crucial step. Now that you're in edit mode, highlight the text you want to change character spacing for. You can click and drag your cursor across any portion of text, whether it's a single word, a sentence, or an entire paragraph. Selecting the right text ensures that only the portion you want to adjust will be affected by the spacing changes. Once your text is highlighted, navigate to the left panel. Here, you'll find various formatting options. Look for Format Text, and below that, you'll see Character Spacing. Click the down arrow next to Character Spacing to reveal a drop-down menu with preset spacing options. You can select your preferred spacing from this list, or if you want more control, you can type directly into the field to set a custom value. Feel free to experiment with different character spacing values to see which one looks best for your document. Adjusting this can significantly impact how professional and readable your text appears. After you've made your changes and are satisfied with how the character spacing looks, head to the upper right corner of the screen. Here, click the Save button to preserve your changes. This ensures that your adjustments are applied to the document and won't be lost when you close the file. And that's it. You've successfully changed the character spacing in your PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.